So if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, there is a map, and the goal is to be able to automate validating that this map still shows correct location. Alright, we already have the test suite from UI testing from last time, so we will just add a test and I call it compare map, and we have a command which allows you to compare element to its version from previous successful run. So for that, to figure out how to do it, we'll go to documentation and we search for the word previous. Where I go. So this compare image is what we're looking for. Let's copy this example, paste in here. Now we need to figure out what are we comparing. We go in, let's inspect this element and find something which is meaningful. In this case, it looks like map would be meaningful. Let's copy that, paste it in here, and we want it map to be the full string, because map is just 3 symbols and almost guaranteed to be a part of some other word or string, because it's just too short. In order to avoid that, we will require it to be the full string, and that is possible with the word exactly, and that's it. Basically, we're comparing this map to previous version with allowance of 5%. Let's kick it off, expand it, and within the first run, of course, it wouldn't do anything meaningful. It will just create the screenshot and will highlight the area that will be used for comparison next time, which is this. In order to trigger actual comparison, we will go in and do rerun. It will trigger full rerun. What it's doing, it is actually retesting the whole test suite. This is something you will initiate from your CI/CD, or as you can see, you can do it manually. And now this comparison is actually meaningful. It actually did compare it to previous successful version, which was previous run, highlighted where it is, and in this particular version, because the map is identical, this validation is successful. This is how easy it is to do visual validations with testRigor. Thank you so much.